Alright class, what we're about to do here is a little bit of swimming pool chemistry. So now after that massive rain that we just had on the weekend, the pool's gone all schizo, and I'll show you a picture of that in a second. Here's the schizo pool. Now it's hard to really see, but it's absolutely murky and cloudy. You cannot see the bottom. It should be bright blue down there, but you can't see it. All that is caused by clay particles that somehow managed to get washed into the pool during the rain. And those clay particles are in suspension. So they're like little particles, but they're actually homogeneously mixed into the water column. Okay, what that means is that they're evenly dispersed. And because they're big particles, they're actually a colloid. They're forming a colloid suspension. And what it's doing is it's making the water look ugly and horrible, all right? So there's a trick that we're going to use to actually fix that situation. And what we're going to use is a chemical called a flocculant. And I'm going to show you that right now. Now, I picked this up at Bunnings just a little bit earlier this afternoon. This is called a flocculant. You see that? This was about 10 bucks at Bunnings. And a flocculant is really just another substance made up of a salt called aluminium sulfate. That's what's going to do the dirty work, okay? What it's going to do is it's going to, once I dissolve all this powder in the bucket over here, and then pour it into the pool, it's going to, those particles there are going to bind with the silicate, the clay particles that are making the water look cloudy, and they're going to become larger, and then they're going to settle out like sediment and fall to the bottom. Now that doesn't mean that this is an easy job, because then I'm going to have to come and vacuum out the water from the bottom, because if I try and run it through there, it'll just get cloudy again. So I'll have to vacuum it out. So it's kind of a big job, but we're going to do it. Okay. After I do this, pouring this stuff in, after I pour this stuff into the pool, I'm going to come out. This is about 5 p.m. now. I'm going to come out tomorrow morning, and you're going to be amazed. It's going to be clear. Okay, but there's going to be some white stuff on the bottom. That's my prediction. Okay, let's get to it. As you can see, the water's a bit clearer, and there seems to be some white stuff settle in the bottom there. The pool's not 100% clear yet, but I would say by the end of this day it will have been totally clear. But you can now see that you can see the bottom. There's white powder all over the place. Very good.